Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we are back with another Autoworld unboxing. And today we're doing a 70 Chevy Impala custom coupe. And as I mentioned, this thing kind of has a lowrider appearance to it with the wheels that they chose to use. And before we get started, as you can see, our custom car shop here, diorama, is starting to grow in size. We got 4 additions to it now, because we unboxed a truck the other day. He's going to be a permanent fixture. Caddy's still hanging on. As I said, not sure how long he'll stay, but for right now, he's sticking around. And this guy here is definitely going to be a permanent fixture too. And this is the 70 Chevy Impala Custom Coupe. And as I said, these wheels definitely represent like a 13 to 14 by 7 Dayton wire spoke and all chrome with the thin white wall tire. It just screams lowrider. Even the stance is a little bit lower than usual, so it does look really good. And with the marina blue paint, the white top, and the blue interior, looks awesome. Love this casting, love this car. So the card art's pretty cool. They even ran the Daytons on the card art too. And this is in the series of luxury cruisers. And then this is a recent release, so it's pretty easy to find nowadays. As you can see, it came with the Modera Muscle, which is the Conquest, the Shelby, and then the Hearst Edition Camaro, which we unboxed the other week. Vintage Muscle is the 67 Chevelle, which I did not pick up. 74 Challenger, which we've already unboxed A and B of it. And then the Luxury Cruisers, 70 Chevy Impala Custom Coupe. Wish I would have bought the other one when it was available. I think it's black, if I'm not mistaken. But maybe I'll get a chance to buy it again. So, anyways, let's read the premium facts here. So, in 1970, a new Chevy Impala Custom Coupe cost about $3,400. Around 612,000 total units of the Impala, including V8 body styles and trim levels, were sold for 1970. So pretty cool. As you can see, the car's a little ripped there. I already opened it because it's been in my dyno for a while. Have had this car for probably about 2 or 3 weeks now, just getting around to unboxing it for you guys. So let's get him off the card and take a look. So here he is. First things first are these wheels. These wheels are awesome. Very nicely done. Are actually better than Hot Wheels wire spoke imitation. And we'll look at those tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to be doing some RLC cars. And I'll go over that at the end of the video. So looks really good. All the trim is there around the fender openings, the rocker trim, side molding right under the door handle. The door handle's there. The Impala or custom, I can't remember what that says, on the B pillar is there. And the recessed rear window is there. Not recessed too much, just a little bit. Detailed tail lights in the rear bumper. Looks really good. And then the license plate even indicates low. That's pretty cool. So they're letting you know this is supposed to be like a lowrider. Going around to the other side, as you can see, this rear marker lights are there. Front end details beautifully done. The marker light turn signals in the bumper, the cutout in the front bumper, highly detailed grille and headlights. Opening hood as usual. Not sure what it has in it, if it's going to be like a 454 or it's going to be like the 350, but definitely a V8. And as I said, it looks beautiful with the blue on blue and the white top. Looks really good. So, this is going to be a permanent fixture, and he'll go, well, right here near the truck. So, that's going to be one that you'll see every week, or every time we use this diorama. Sometimes we're using Mr. Norm's and such, but this time we're using this one today. Tomorrow we'll be using this one, because tomorrow we're going to do an unboxing on the newly released RLC 75 Monte Carlo Lowrider. And we'll also be taking a look at the pink Party Skyline and the membership Mustang Cobra. I'm not going to be unboxing those two because those are not going to be permanent fixtures in my collection, but the Monty will be, so we'll be unboxing that one for you guys. So be sure to tune back in for that tomorrow, and then enjoy your Saturday evening, guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow.